First.
Ah, Sarah, remets-le là. Sarah, mets ton pied là. Mets ton pied.
Put your foot on it, Sarah.
Mama, this other.
Come, give me this one.
Mama, with the bubbles.
You want the bubbles? You want more bubbles? Okay, see the bubbles coming. It's coming. Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
It's Bobby.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. Of course, because you're watching me right now. The family is here. Everybody's been up and I went out and got back in today. I had to get out early this morning, so I did that and get back home like about 12ish, somewhere there. And that's why I'm all made up because I had an appointment out. Anyway guys, I got home and I feel the need to give the family a foot spa. So we're gonna have a family foot spa date. You know, once the kids see me and Papa getting a foot spa, they're gonna want in, so they're ready. And somebody is so ready to talk to you guys. Who do you think it is?
When we're going to do barbecue? Yes.
When you want to do barbecue?
Today.
Guess what? There were no sausages at the supermarket yesterday. That's why I didn't buy any. I'm sorry. But I'm sure they'll stop because they know it's barbecue season.
I know barbecue.
Say good morning to Faze.
Quack, quack.
How are you?
What we're going to eat today?
I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner.
You know what you're going to eat? There's someone.
You ready to the foot spa with Mama and Papa?
Yes.
Come say hello to Faves. Yes. Uh-huh. And of course I know Tyler is gonna giggle when he's getting his foot done. Say hello.
We already do it last time.
This one is the real thing, is the machine. You've never done it in the machine. Say hello.
Hello.
He's so cute in his glasses. Come, fourth person. Come say hello. Fourth person. If you guys could only see his face.
I'm just waiting on the music when I'm entering. I should have my own music.
What do you want?
Hi guys.
You want to
I hope with you I find out of the love that I don't have here.
What did you them say?
I hope that they give me the love that I don't have here.
I don't understand. So
I need the music when I enter.
So who don't give you love here?
Music?
Because you don't get the music?
Yeah.
Well, go to Faves and you'll get all the love that you need there. Go on, jump in the camera, enter, they're waiting, and they'll gladly take you. They'll be super happy. We won't miss you around here, that's for sure.
Hey.
Watch it. Do that again. See. Watch it.
Hey. Hey. C'est ma maman.
Non, c'est mon maman.
Non, c'est ma maman.
Non, Taylor.
C'est ma maman.
Non, c'est moi.
C'est à moi.
Oh.
Non, c'est moi.
C'est ma maman. Pousse-toi.
Non, c'est moi.
Go away. C'est ma maman.
Non. Arrête.
Arrête. C'est ma maman.
Non, c'est moi. Arrête. C'est mon maman.
C'est ma maman, pas mon maman.
Oh, c'est mon maman de ma famille.
Yes, it's your mama. Tell him it's your mama.
Auntie.
It's your mama. Papa says her mama. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna see how quick I can get some food done. Yes, it's a key. Put it down. So, let go. You guys, look at this coward. Look at him. Saying the water is hot. Look at him. Look at his foot when it should be in the water. You see that? He's wasting my time now. Foot in the water. Honey, put your foot in the water, honey.
If I tell you it's too hot.
Honey, the water is not too hot.
If I tell you it's too hot, I can't stay in it.
Why you can't stay in it?
It's too hot.
It's supposed to be hot.
I know, but
Let's help to peel the skin, the dead skin off your foot. If you don't put it in the extra hot water, it defeats the purpose. Have you ever taken off the skin off a chicken foot? Do you know how we do? We put the chicken foot in the water. Honey, don't touch yourself. Don't be foolish. Baby, get up and take your foot out if it's too hot. Babe, stop being foolish, please. Come, let me show you how to do chicken foot. Babe. Come, let me tell you how to do chicken foot now.
Foolish. I mean, I'm acting normally.
That's how we do chicken foot. We put it in the water and other. Exactly.
And I'm sure you know that
peel it off.
chicken foot when they're dead. So they don't cry. Am I right? You do that when they're alive.
Voilà.
You massage the foot of the chicken when they're alive?
No, when it dead.
Right.
In
And
the
does
water.
the dead chicken complaining?
Oh my god. In order for the skin of the chicken foot to come off, you have to put it in the warm water.
Because they're dead. They don't complain.
Can you rub your foot on the thing?
And if I move it,
Yeah.
it's so hot.
It's so hard?
Hot.
Hot? Oh, so that's why you say one place?
But it's already one step. I mean, I couldn't stay one step.
It's too funny. Put this on Papa foot. Rub Papa foot. No, no. Yes, use that one. In your hand. Come. Rub it. Rub the side of Papa foot like this.
Il y aura
Qu'est-ce que tu m'as rubé?
Il y aura une temps à la place de la sortie. Allez, le but.
What you mean? Babe, seriously, babe? It's because you are funny. You and I, this face.
C'est qui le veut?
More outside here.
Yeah, I think so.
Come back.
Huh?
Come back with the charm.
If it's available, yeah?
Look, I rub it.
Good job. Rub it. Rub it.
Rub green.
So why you say I rub it? I'm not a rabbit.
That's not what she said. She said rub it.
Okay.
Rub. Not rub it.
Okay.
Rub it. No, not that one. We're not ready for that one as yet.
I'm gonna miss you, son. I'm gonna get big.
Come, put back the foot in. And give me the other foot.
I think it's you that have to know.
Almost kick off my face.
Zéro, France, Turquie, fallait se concentrer et pas sur le ménage.
Tyler, go in the bathroom. And there's that small, petty basket in there. Look in that basket, you see a big gold nail clip.
Petit panier et il y a le coupe-ongle en or.
Don't come back and tell me you don't see because I'm sure it is in there. Hey, she working, you know? You think she... You working?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Papa. Don't worry. I can't help it. What?
Don't make her use too much.
Let she enjoy taking care of you. Leave her alone.
Merci, Sarah.
Pourquoi? Regarde. On va mettre.
Hey, she working, you know? She taking care of Papa. She said, don't worry, Papa, it's okay. Tell Papa, don't worry.
Papa, put a finger and rub it.
You rub it?
Yeah,
Tell Papa, it's okay.
it's okay, Papa.
Alright, Papa. Where's the first foot that I need? Get up, Sarah. Put the first foot up here. No, Sarah, no. Okay, cover this one back, Sarah.
Okay. Oh,
Hey, I saw you know, say babe, foot get regular good care, you know, not even much white not coming off.
Yeah, you used to take care of her food too much.
Who used to take care of your foot a lot? You.
Oh, you were talking about you?
I don't get no credit. Me, who do all of the scrubbing, I get no credit. And me have to scrub my own. Me have to scrub my own and scrub for you. I don't get no credit. It's alright.
I have a good wife.
You do? After she complains, she gets the credit. You can't keep it. Take your food. Take it.
it's okay.
No, you Sarah, wash your foot. You don't need to shower later. You Sarah?
I don't want it.
Put in?
It's hot.
No, it's not hot anymore.
Sarah.
Look, Mama gonna put bubbles. It's okay. Put your foot in.
Sarah.
It's not hot. It's okay. Look, see the bubbles coming. Look, bubbles. Put your foot in. Look, the bubbles.
It's been hot.
No, it's not hot.
At the bottom.
Tell her put the 2 foot in. Voila.
It's tickling me.
Keep your foot in it, Sarah. Put your foot in it. Look at them. Sarah, leave your foot in it. How it feel? You like it, Sarah? Yeah.
I can pop bubble.
Yes, you can pop a bubble.
Pop. 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 Wow.
Okay, who's gonna get rubbed first?
Me.
You gonna get rubbed first?
Yeah.
Tyler, leave your foot in it. Sarah, put one of your foot on Mama. Put your foot up on
I
Mama.
get to sleep a bit.
Put one foot up on Mama. Voila. Good job. And Mama to rub this on it?
Yeah. Like that, so I can help me. Can help you, I mean.
You think go?
That's so much better. Mama,
Look, Mama gonna rub your foot.
Mama, where's the soap?
It's gone away. Press it. If you press it with your foot, it will make noise.
Okay. I can.
You know, Ty?
What did you
If
say?
you press that thing with your foot, it will start spinning.
The middle one.
The middle button. Press.
Ah, Sarah, remets-le là. Sarah, mets ton pied là. Mets ton pied.
Put your foot on it, Sarah.
Mama, this other.
Come, give me this one.
Mama, with the bubbles.
You want the bubbles? You want more bubbles? Okay, see the bubbles coming. It's coming. Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
It's Bobby. So, sweet. I got two.
It's what?
It's pretty.
No, it is.
Beautiful.
Very
I
good.
will use
Mama,
that to always.
Beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Come, Tyler. Foot.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, don't let
I
it
can't
take
give you
you.
one, Sarah.
Pop, pop, pop.
Tyler.
Stop it.
Tyler.
Stop it. Stop it. No.
Come here, honey.
Mama, my hand.
One, two.
Mama, Mama. Mama, Mama, stop it! Stop it! Police! I'm not going to pay you!
Put this one in and give me the next one.
Mama, look!
Yes, put back your
Papi, got the paper. Papa, the papier.
Pourquoi faire?
Mama.
Tyler.
Pourquoi faire, Sarah?
Stop.
C'est pour essuyer les mains? Enfin, je vais pas plus.
Sarah, don't put your hand in here.
Mama. Mama, please. Please, please, please. Please, 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 please.
Put back your foot in the water now.
Mama, with the bubbles.
You want more bubbles?
No. Yes.
It's coming. Ta-da!
When
It's the
I put
bubble
my
part,
hand,
guys.
there's even more bubbles. Wow! And I'm washing my hands.
And now dinner is going down. So I have chicken happening over here. Whatever you want to call this. Let it be that. And then beside the chicken, we have some veggies. Yes, Sarah. Mama soon come. We have green beans. And then I'm gonna put these salmon in the fridge. Not in the fridge, in the air fryer. But I think this is what's gonna be for dinner
Mama,
tonight.
have you had
And this is what's gonna be for dinner tomorrow. So I'm looking for 2 days in one. And I have rice going on here.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause